We are now learning that the Jammu and Kashmir police have in fact attached the residential property of one of the active militants from Lashkar-e-Taiba. In fact, he was also involved in the killing of an ex-Sarpanch from the Bharatiya Janata Party. We are learning that Abid Ramzan is the militant. He is in fact a top divisional commander of Lashkar-e-Taiba. He's also believed to be behind most of the terror incidents that have been happening in South Kashmir. Let's quickly go across to Ishan. Ishan, what to now expect now that the residential property of this active militant has been attached? Who is this active militant that the Jammu and Kashmir police is referring to?
There was a killing, if you recall, of a former Sarpanch which took place in Shopian, following which the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir said that the forces have been given free hand to deal with the situation, and they will, narrow down on that particular case, because that killing had shocked the valley, and there was huge criticism of the center regarding normalcy. Today we are seeing that J&K Police attaching his residential house. This is a militant named as Abid Ramzan Sheikh, who lives in Chotipura area of Shopia. There was an order issued by the special court by NIA, which has led to this attachment of his house. Now, there's a complete zero tolerance policy adopted by the J&K government and the government of India, where these attachments are taking place, so that deterrence is there when somebody joins these outfits, and also anyone involved under these attacks, these killings, and there have been killings which have taken place, and the mastermind police suspect is Abid himself, who is planning and executing these attacks, and then leading to chaos in Kashmir Valley. Under the law, the government is obtaining permission from the court and then attaching them. This is a policy that the government has adopted as part of the mechanism to ensure that anyone who is involved in these cases, they are dealt with as per law. Now, about Abid, he's a commander of Lashkar-e-Taiba, has been operational in that part of Kashmir Valley, and most of the killings police suspects are being taking place because of his active involvement, in these particular killings. And this may have been a job of, hybrid militant, but yes, police suspects it was on his direction that these killings had taken place. You remember there was also an attack on tourist couple in Pahalgam, and that is where also police suspects his role is. And that is why these attachments are taking place, and the forces are going full throttle to ensure that all these channels and mechanisms, wherever they have found anyone being involved in such activities, they are dealt with as per law. And today, attachment has taken place by Jammu and Kashmir Police on orders of an NIA.
Absolutely, and here's hoping that the Jammu and Kashmir police is able to, in fact, make an iron fist statement out of this entire case. Many thanks to you, Ishan, for bringing in all those inputs.